Assalomu alaykum qarindoshlar, qanday kunlar yaxshimi? Hozirgi vaqtinglar xayrli bo'lsin. Bugun so'zlaydigan bo'lsak Coinbase. Coinbase'ni nurg'un kripto o'ynaydiganlar bilishinglar mumkin. Bu bir shu kripto, Bitcoin, Ethereum mishlarni oldigan sahifa. Ham meniki tavsiya qilgan sahifam mush Coinbase bo'ldi. Bütün şu Bitcoin degende kripto alalaysiz, lekin boshqa paychaklarni ololmaysiz. Lekin men kriptoni ancha o'ynamayman, lekin boshqa sahifalar qaraganchada meni anglaganim eng bexatar. Lekin buningdimi Coinbase'ning tarixidami necha mushtaq Bitcoin ya boshqa kriptolarni yutib ketgan, topolmagan, texniklik iqtidorlar bilan o'g'irlab olgan bunday ishlar yuz beribdi, lekin mush jihatda Coinbase eng diqqat qilgan, eng mush tarafdan bexatarlikka taraqqiy qilayotgan sahifa mush ekan. Ham yana bir yaxshi yeri bu Coinbase'niki. Bular o'zlari shundayjiq kriptolarni setib oldi ekan, setib olib, keyin boshqalar setib qanchada, bizanchada shu tangilar kriptolar oz yetishmay qanchada shular o'zlarinikini ishlatadi ekan. Shu yerlari yaxshi ekan. Buniki hozir yangidan paychiki chiqdi. Coinbase'niki shu 4-oyning nechisi? 4-oyning 13-chi bozorga chiqibdi. Asli buniki paychikiniki bahasini $250 bekitgan. $250 amaliyotda bir yangidan chiqqan shirkat uchun nihoyatda qimmat. Shunda cho'ng shirkatlarmi, masalan Airbnb'dagi cho'ng shirkatlarmi bultur 12 oyda yangidan bozorga chiqqan. Shular chiqqanchadimi eng beshida bekitgan bahasi $80mi, $90 bekitgan. Lekin bu chiqqan vaqtida nech puldan chiqdi desanlar, amaliyotda $250 emas, $380 dan ichilgan. Ondan 10 minutning ichida $430 ga chiqqan. Chiqib, ondan yana tushib ketgan. Ya'ni shu $300 ga tushib, asosda $320 hozir $297 ga tushib qolibdi. Endi bu paychakniki kelgusi rost bormi? Buni ichilgan vaqtida shu ARK Invest'niki Cathie Wood, ya'ni yog'och xanam shunda jiq avaldi. Bütün shu paychak sohasini qo'l qilyapti. Shu Cathie Wood o'ziniki kepidan anglab qo'yayli.
All right, let's talk about the new shiny object today, which is Coinbase. The reference price is $250 per share. We're getting indications that it could open at $340 per share. Do you have a price target for Coinbase?
We do. I am reticent to give it. It is far above where it's going to open, we think. Now, there are a lot of assumptions in there, and you want to talk about volatility, just look at a chart of Bitcoin. There's going to be there are going to be great opportunities between now and 5 years to buy on dips, we believe. I have no idea where it's going to open. We were trying to figure that out ourselves today. We do believe, however, that it has miles to go because institutional interest in Bitcoin alone, which is the largest cryptocurrency out there, is, we think, going to add up to $500,000 to the price of Bitcoin. And when I say that, we've based this on a study focusing on what institutions are looking for. They're looking for low correlations of returns. This is a new asset class. So institutions are interested, they are moving in. And if they add up to 5% in their asset allocation to Bitcoin, that alone could be up to a $500,000 increase in the price. So we're at the very beginning of what we believe is going to be a long and exciting journey.
Okay, let me see if I can prod you a little bit more to give us specifics on a price target for Coinbase. You're reticent to maybe give us a number, but can you give me a ballpark on the percent gains that you think you could see, using your 5-year approach?
This is well above our minimum hurdle rate of return of $15. Even if it does open I mean, a 15% per year, even if it does open as high as $250 or $300. Even at those prices, given our assumptions, now again, we expect tremendous volatility in this. It's going to be unstable in terms of investors and analysts understanding what Coinbase actually is. It makes most of its money on the trading of Bitcoin and Ether. Those are the two biggest, and it's going into a lot of other cryptocurrencies and crypto assets. So it's got a lot of open-ended opportunities, but right now they're making about 70 basis points on each trade, on each dollar traded, and we think there will be fee compression, as there always is in the institutional world, and as competition increases. So I think the opportunities in this stock, to the extent there are dips out there, will come around the idea of, oh my goodness, how much is competition going to drive these fees down? And we do think the compression will be to 50 cents within the next 5 years, or 50 basis points. So you'll watch the dynamic: volume explosion, fee compression. And again, we'll pick our spots around volatility.
So it sounds like you're saying this could be a more buy the dip opportunity, and that you wouldn't necessarily be chomping at the bit to get in at the IPO price.
Well, we're not allowed to say what we are or are not going to do at any point in time. You'll see our trades at the end of the day. And so you'll know what we've done, but we can't tell you what we're going to do. But if you do watch our trading, what you'll understand about ARK is we're extremely opportunistic. We'll buy the dips, and we are also at the same time very optimistic about how far Coinbase has to go in terms of delivering returns relative to our 5-year target. So stay tuned.
All right, stay tuned. Does it have 4 digits or 5 digits, the price target?
Well, if we're right on where Bitcoin is going, just Bitcoin alone, based on institutional investors getting involved and based on institutions diversifying some of their cash into Bitcoin, it has a lot of room on the upside.
Okay, all right, I'll let that one go now.
Endi Casio bu yerda kelgusidagi savolni so'ragan chog'da muxbir aniq javobini bermadi. Ba'zi zodi necha pul o'rlayotganini cho'qim ustida shunchalik o'rin bor deb ham javob berdi. Oxirida biz rasmiy ichki ma'lumotlarni oshkorlasak bo'lmaydi deb. Meniki o'zimniki ko'z qarashim bu Casio degandek rost chiqib tushishi shunchalik yuqori bo'ldi. Shunchalik dahshat yuqori chiqib tushishi yuqori bo'ldi. Volatility. Chunki bu Bitcoinga bog'liqlik Ethereum'larga. Ularniki bazı bilan bog'liqlik bo'lishi mumkin. Chunki bularning o'zidami shunday coinlar bor ekan. Lekin menimcha bu paychak bazı bilan Bitcoinlarniki o'ziniki bazı bilan yana bog'liqlik bo'lmaydi. Bu o'zimning shaxsiy ko'z qarashi. Chunki nima uchun degan chog'da masalan u Bitcoinning bahosi tushib ketsa, buning bahosi cho'qimlar dahshat tushib ketadigan andoq ish bo'lmasligi mumkin. Sal ta'sir qilishi mumkin. Chunki bularniki tafovati nimadan kirdi degan chog'da savdo, shu Bitcoinlarniki savdo setiqidan, butun kriptolarniki savdo setiqidan bular kirim qildi. Masalan, agar Bitcoinlarning bahosi tushib ketsa-mu, yana o'xshash bular balkim yana shu savdo setiqini qilaverdi, arzon vaqtida yana savdo setiq bo'laverdi. Volume kundalik savdo setiqi jiq bo'lsa, bular tafovatini qilaverdi. Agar Bitcoinlar bak o'sib ketsa-mu, yana o'xshash yana savdo setiqi jiq bo'lsa, bular yana tafovatini qilaverdi. Agar bak o'sib ketib, savdo setiqi ozlab ketsa, balkim Bitcoinlarning bahosi o'sib, bularniki paychakning bahosi tushib ketadigan ahvollar bo'lishi mumkin. Shu o'zimniki Coinbase bo'lgan ko'z qarashim. Men o'zim shu nimamda hisobotimda bir chog'da oldim. Qanday bo'ldiki, necha kun qarab qayras o'sab, ishtik o'sab, 9 necha kun chiqib ketsa, setitaman deb $293 olgan. Keyin $303 setib etdim. O'tirliqda hisobotimda bakchiq paychaklar bo'lib ketib, sal markazlashay deb. Buniki kelgusi ishonmaganim emas. Chunki meniki paychakamniki hisobatimda hozir shunchalik kuchsiz. Mana bu yangi texnikalik cho'ng o'rlashadigan, cho'ng tushadigan paychaklar bak jiq. Chunki cho'ng shirkatlarning paychaklari bak oz. Xatarni yeydigan bundaq paychaklar bak oz bo'lib qolganligi uchun buni setib turdim. Chunki mening hisobatimda hozir bu o'zimning shaxsiy hisobatim emas, hammalar ko'rsatayotgan, necha yuz odam ko'rayotgan bir hisobot bo'lg'achqa buniki o'ziniki misal besim bor. Shunaqa ba'zan xatoliklarni o'tkazsam bo'lmaydi, amal bor. Shu yerlardan o'ylashib buni setib turdim. Balkim kelgusida agar yana hisobatimda yana o'rinlar chiqib qolsa qurilmamda, yani elishim mumkin, ham azon tushib ketib qolsa, shu degan Coinbase sizlarga ozroq bergan tushuncham. Yoqtirgan bo'lsangiz, boshmal taxtni bosib qo'ying, obuna bo'ling, ham boshqalarga tavsiya qilib qo'ying. Kelasi sonni ko'rishaylik. Allohga emanet.